Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the health monitoring of our Colmi P81 Smartwatch. The first video, we have a demo of the heart rate monitor and the blood oxygen, comparing it with a fingertip pulse oximeter. This time we are going to check again the heart rate and we'll compare it with our Galaxy Fit 3 and our Huawei Band 9. Let's see if we do have the same results. Okay, I'm pretty sure you are also curious to see if how the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen compared with these two popular fitness tracker. If you have any questions regarding this video demo, or if you have any special requests, just drop a comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's check first our heart rate with the Colmi P81 and compare it with our Galaxy Fit 3 followed by the Huawei Band 9. So let's have our wearable. Okay. Then we have here our Galaxy Fit 3. Hopefully we'll have a good result. Okay, so let's check. Health. We have where's our heart rate? We have our heart rate here. Tap on the heart rate. And let's see. We have 74 here, 75, 78. We have 79 beats per minute. We have 73 here for the Colmi P81. They almost have the same. Okay, as you can see, we have the same results. 74. We have 75. And next. Okay. We have 76 here for our Galaxy Fit 3. 74 for our Colmi P81. Although we already set this to continuous heart rate monitor, I wonder why it stops after a few minutes. Okay, I guess we have to synchronize it again. But so far, based on the results here, there's just a minor difference. They almost have the same result for the heart rate. Okay, we have 74 here and 76. As you can see, they almost have the same now. The same results now. Okay. We have 71 and 73. Okay, so far, it's good for our Colmi P81. It's not that far to the result of our Galaxy Fit 3. How about the blood oxygen monitoring measure? So let's see. So in just a few seconds, we'll have the result. 55, 58%. And we have here 97% for our blood oxygen. We have 99% for our Galaxy Fit 3. Okay, although we keep on moving, so that's why the result is not that clear. Okay, we'll see on our second try. We have 96 and we have 97. Okay, so far, again, we do have a good outcome of the blood oxygen for our Colmi P81. So let's go with our Huawei Band 9. So let's look for the heart rate monitor. We have the heart rate here. Our heart rate, tap on the heart rate. So far, we have a positive results for our Galaxy Fit 3 comparison. Let's see with our Huawei Band 9. 74, the same results. 73. 76. 74 now. Again, as you can see here, just a minor difference to the beats per minute between the Huawei Band 9 and our Colmi P81. We have 75 and 75 here, as you can see. Okay, go back. How about the blood oxygen? SpO2. Measure. Keep still with the screen facing up. 23% or 23 seconds. 21. 15. And we have here the result for the SpO2. We have 98%. And let's see with our, okay, the SpO2 for the Colmi P81 has ended, and as you can see here, we have the same result. We have 98% for P81 and 98% for our Huawei Band 9. I guess we do have a very good sensor for the Colmi P81, but I just don't know if it's still okay. The result is still okay if we do some exercises. For example, if we are walking or running, I'm just not sure if it can monitor it properly or can provide a great result if there's too much movement. Okay, so we can only check that if we do have the polar, I think the polar sensor, heart rate monitoring. Okay, hopefully we can have our own polar heart rate monitoring. Okay, but so far, as you can see, when you are just staying still, the result is very good with our Colmi P81. Again, if you have any questions regarding the Colmi P81 Smartwatch, or if you have special requests or any questions, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!